GDP growth, Pakistan and India. GDP growth in Pakistan. Pakistan was a middle-class and predominantly agricultural country when it gained independence in 1947. Pakistan's average economic growth rate in the first 5 decades, 1947 to 1997, has been higher than the growth rate of the world economy during the same period. Average annual real GDP growth rates were 6.8% during 1960s, 4.8% in 1970s, and 6.5% in the 1980s. Recently, according to the World Bank data, the poverty in Pakistan fell from 64.3% in 2002 to 29.5% in 2014. The nominal GDP per capita of Pakistan is now $1,641 in 2018. Annual growth rate of GDP, Pakistan and India. GDP growth rate in Pakistan averaged 4.91% from 1952 until 2016, reaching an all-time high of 10.22% in 1954 and a record low of -1.80% in 1952. The GDP annual growth rate in India averaged 6.15% from 1951 until 2018, reaching an all-time high of 11.40% in the first quarter of 2010 and a record low of -5.20% in the fourth quarter of 1979. Sector-wise share of employment and the GDP share. In 1969 to 70, agriculture was the biggest commodity-producing sector with 38.9% contribution to the GDP, which has declined to 19.53% in financial year 2016-17, has shown that the share of the agriculture has been falling over time in favor of the non-agriculture sector. However, the share of services sector has grown to 59.59% in the last fiscal year, indicating a growing share of the service sector in GDP over time. In 2016, the agriculture sector contributed around 25.23% of the GDP of Pakistan. The portion of 19.69% came from the industry and 55.6% from the services sector.